Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I'm Tessa Arina Logroño. I'm 40 years old, residing at Barangay 22, Binanuan East, Legazpi City, Albay.
And your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't have.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 4 and I am the third.
Tell me about your educational background.
I graduated 2-year course at STI College Legazpi and finished caregiving NC2.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, but I have experience as private caregiver and currently working at hospital.
How would you describe yourself?
I am loyal, honest, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have in my left arm.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to have a better future and to help my family, especially my mother.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and the children with tantrums?
I'll stay calm and talk to them calmly and read them stories about naughty boys and girls, about the consequences of being naughty.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I can assure you that I can be a good employer and I am honest, I'm loyal and can do multitasking and promise to treat your family as my own. Thank you.
Thank you.